my time at Girl Scouts doing community service. This is my first time participating in this pageant and I'm really excited. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Mati Rajvanshi. I'm 14 years old and I'm going into 10th grade at John P. Stevens High School. I'm really passionate about pageants and such. I really think that it's amazing that we get to represent and celebrate our culture surrounded by all these beautiful and lovely ladies. Thank you so much.
गाइस ऐसे काम नहीं चलेगा खुद आओगे ना स्टेज पर तो क्या क्या कितना डर लगता है तो जोरदार तालियां दे वेरी वेरी यंग गर्ल्स
Hello everyone, my name is Sarah Gupta. I'm 19 years old. I'm contestant number 7 for Team Rajasthan. I graduated from Montgomery High School and I'm currently attending Barnard College of Columbia University where I study neuroscience and behavior. Aware that many young women don't have access to education, I initiated a foundation called S&T Tutoring where I raised over $5,000 for women's education in underprivileged areas. I hope to continue to use that platform to motivate and inspire young women to pursue education. Thank you.
Guys, जोरदार तालियां for our beautiful team categories. Go for families कौन-कौन की हैं इनकी? I want to hear the families really really loud. Come on guys, you have to encourage them. Great job. Thank you so much. And our next category is gorgeous. Single. Guys, did I say single? Miss Rajasthan contestants, please step forward.
Ram Ram Sa. My name is Karina Jain and it is my honor today to be standing in front of you competing for the Miss Rajasthan title. Born and raised in the vibrant Queens, New York, I've always been inspired by the rich culture and history that stands among us. At 22 years old, I am pursuing my master's degree in psychology and I plan on furthering my education by doing my PhD next year, also in psychology. Doing this pageant in front of you guys today, not only am I able to show you the grace and beauty of Rajasthan, but also the strength, resilience, and spirits that's instilled within us. So once again, thank you to you guys, to everyone who can make it out here today. Without you guys, I wouldn't be standing here today and sharing my journey with all of you guys. Thank you.
In the band, please, if you can give some silence, please, thank you. Our young contestants want to share something.
Namaste. My name is Megan Mohano. I'm contestant number 3, and I'm participating in Miss Rajasthan. I have a bachelor's in economics. I am passionate about music and dance, and it gives me immense happiness. I'm able to connect with my rich culture through that. I completed my Visharad in Kathak dance through my guru Archana Jodhekar, and I learned Hindustani classical singing. I also like giving back to the community, which I have done through the Girl Scout Gold Award. Thank you. I'm so happy to be here.
Thank you. Aren't they just beautiful? In दोनों का competition थोड़ा सा easy है, so girls show your faces one more time. Round of applause. इन दोनों में ही कोई ना कोई Miss Rajasthan होगा, but all contestants are winners. हमारी मिसेस में थोड़ी सी हो रही थी, हाय काश मेरे में भी सिर्फ एक तो होती तो मैं भी जीत जाती, but they are absolutely amazing. I would like to invite our Mrs. category to step forward. We will start with Meenu ji.
और दिल्ली दिल वालों की है और राजस्थान राजा महाराजाओं का शहर है. I'm staying in America last 5 years with my 4-year-old son, and I run NGO for USA INC. We do fundraising event for children education, and I drive 4 hours from Massachusetts to join this festival just because we are representing our Indian Rajasthani culture on foreign land, and this is really very proud moment for everyone, and I'm very glad I'm part of this event. Thank you so much. And Khambagani.
My name is Ritu Devan, contestant number 15, representing the beautiful royal pink city of Jaipur. And this beautiful dress is a traditional outfit, Bandhani. And I'm so proud to be a participant in this beautiful, colorful Tej event. And I'm really, really thankful to Roar, Karan Soni, Eric sir, beautiful audiences to make each one of us so special, not only from outside but also from inside. I forgot to say something, but yeah, little bit of intro. I am a passionate mom of 2, a respectful wife, and also a budding entrepreneur in jewelry. I love to travel, and I am a person who is a life enthusiast and wants to live life each day with joy and abundance. And my motto is go with the flow. So that's what I decided. I participated 2 days before, and I'm so glad I did it. Thank you so much. Tej Mata ki Jai Ho. Ram Ram Sa.
राम राम सा. राजस्थान में लड़ने की तरफ से आप सब ने घड़ी घड़ी खड़ी गमा. So, good evening everyone. My name is Akshi Bansal. I am playing a role of many women, like a lovely wife, a proud mother, blessed daughter, cherished friend, and a passionate professional. And I'm glad that today I'm here to showcase the beauty of Rajasthan, the vibrant colors I'm wearing, and the rich heritage of Apno Rajasthan. Thank you so much, and wishing you a very happy Tej, all of you. Thank you.
Kamagadi to all. I'm Vandana Tambi from Chester Spring, Philadelphia. A successful business analyst and enthusiastic aesthetician. A proud mother of 2 handsome and successful sons and a wonderful daughter-in-law. To preserve our beautiful religion or Rajasthani religion culture, I've been involved with leading our favorite festival, Gangor, with the Ganesh Festival of Philadelphia for past 15 years. And I must say it has been a great experience. I am honored to be a part of this pageant today. I would like to use this platform to bring awareness for special need kids, for the inclusiveness, and bring them to our heart and extend our love to our heart. Thank you so much. Kamagadi. Rajasthan called Bhavani Mandi, and I did my master's in finance, and also I'm a proud mother of two beautiful and handsome boys. And I would like to say, like, I really want to thank, like, being from a small town girl and getting the opportunity to represent the beautiful culture and, you know, the colorful heritage of Rajasthan. So I'm really grateful for this opportunity, and I just want to say one more thing, that after getting this opportunity, I just learned one thing, to believe in yourself, and सपनों की कोई उम्र नहीं होती और ना ये किसी जगह को देखकर आते हैं। Thank you so much.
शंकर जी की कृपा होगी, मिलेगा माता पार्वती का आशीर्वाद, जब मनाएंगे सब मिलकर बड़ी तीज का त्योहार। Khama Ghani everyone, I am Sanju Purohit from Pali Marwar. I am a biotechnology graduate. I am very much passionate into gardening. It gives me immense tranquility and happiness. Thank you for giving a homemaker this wonderful opportunity in this event. Thank you.
My name is Tina Goya, contestant number 14. I come from the Golden State of California. I moved to New Jersey in 2009, and since then, New Jersey is home. I moved from Switzerland, and we were missing all this out there extensively. I'm really thankful to Roar, to Karamji for this fabulous festival, this heritage, this celebration of our culture. I'm a proud mom of a 14-and-a-half-year-old. I'm enjoying his teen years, and he's right here with me. And I'm so glad he's getting all this exposure right here in our home state in New Jersey. I have an MBA from Rutgers Business School in Pharmaceutical Research and Marketing Management. I work as a marketing director, and I own my own company, Speed Up Marketing Solutions. My hobbies and interests are deep sea diving, health and fitness, and training my 3 golden retrievers. They are my lifeline. So when I say deep sea diving, I'm not joking. I was down there 60 feet down with my husband and my son, and we swam with hammerhead sharks in the Galapagos Islands. So it was no joke. So that was kudos to me for that, I would say. You know. So that's all. I really thank Robert and Karanji again. And everyone enjoy your evening today here. Have fun, lots of great food, and happy Teej. Thank you.
Hello, Namaste, Pranam. My name is Shreya Dixit, and I'm a proud daughter-in-law from the state of Rajasthan, from the city of Jaipur. I'm a former school teacher and now pivoted into a thriving career as a project manager in tech. But I continue my passion for teaching as a Bollywood dance teacher here in Jersey City. I'm here today because I want to prove to all those Indian women who feel that this country has snatched away their cultural identity and independence, and tell those ladies that nothing is impossible in this great land of opportunities. I, along with all the women present with me here today on stage, are a fitting example that if you are intentional, focused, and deeply rooted in your traditions, nothing can stop you from achieving your dreams. On that note, have a great evening.
Guys, मुझे लगता है जो सब चुपचाप बैठे थे या तो पति थे, और जो पीछे बोलने वाले उनकी या तो बीवियां नहीं आएंगी। तो जोरदार तालियां सबके लिए हो जाए, क्योंकि they did a fantastic job. एक बार अपना चेहरा को show your faces one more time in a row and stay on the stage for a Q&A. Start. Let's play some music just to give them a breather. And judges, we will have Q&A right after they come back at this moment. Go ahead, girls. जोरदार तालियां. Now we will request everyone in the background, because this is a very important round for contestants who have spent months preparing for this. Single question can break or make their self-esteem. So I kindly, humbly request you, judges, आप ready हैं question answers के लिए? I will invite our first category, Teen Miss Rajasthan 2024, to step forward. And they will go one by one and face the examination.
Okay, do you think self-care is important and why?
Hi, so I think self-care is really important because in life people experience stress and other problems, and self-care is a time where someone can take the time to just focus on themselves and relieve their stress, and it's important to make sure that you take care of yourself so that way you can take care of other people around you, and that way you can be successful in anything you want to do. Thank you.
Hi, Madhu. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
So tell me, if you could only bring one possession with you on a deserted land, what would it be and why?
If I had to bring one thing on a deserted island, I would definitely have to bring a how-to guide how to build a raft or a boat. That way I can focus on getting off without any distractions, and with the book it's more useful and easier to understand. Thank you for the question.
Hi, what are your life goals?
My life goals, I'm currently enrolled at Barnard College of Columbia University, where I'm studying neuroscience on the pre-medicine track. I hope to go to medical school and hopefully become a neurosurgeon one day. I really want to help those out who don't have enough money for healthcare. By going into healthcare, I really hope to help those who are underprivileged by volunteering in different underprivileged countries and providing free healthcare to those who most need it. Thank you.
Great job. Round of applause for our three young contestants, Miss Teen Rajasthan 2024. This is the last connection they have to score the marks with the judges and audience. Guys, tell them they are all winners. Now I would like to invite, step forward, our Miss Rajasthan 2024, Kumariya.
What do you do to relieve stress and how does it help you?
Thank you for the question. So what I do to relieve stress is listen to music. I love music therapy. Music therapy is a way that I can calm myself down, relieve any stress. I like to be in my room or be with my family. My family is my number one supporters, and they always know the best thing to relieve my stress. It's either my family or listening to music, and that music be calming music. I would go on YouTube and just listen to some stress-free music, and my mood would be 10 times better. Thank you.
Hi. What angers you the most and how do you handle it?
Thank you for the question. What angers me most is when people are too focused on their technology instead of staying present in the moment and just trying to connect with the people right in front of them. I think that social media is a great way for us to further our careers and connect with other people. However, I do think that we can take more time to unplug. Thank you.
जोरदार तालियां दोनों मिस कंटेस्टेंट्स के लिए. Do they really have it easy? You have to be the judge also. There are two contestants. It's really hard to be in a competition. They are gorgeous, beautiful. दिल खड़क देंगे इनके जब तक स्कोरिंग नहीं होगी. So round of applause for our beautiful Miss Rajasthan contestants. Now हमारी सबसे लड़ाकी, सबसे प्यारी Mrs. Rajasthan 2024. Please step forward.
What makes you confident?
My son. मेरा जो बेटा है ना, वही मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस है. क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली सबको जिनके बच्चे उनको पता है कि वही उनको कॉन्फिडेंस देते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.
If you were to write a book about your life, what would it be called?
Thank you for this lovely question. Self-love. That would be my book. Thanks.
The question that was asked to me last year. Do you believe college is still relevant even though the cost is increasingly high and jobs are difficult even after graduation?
I didn't hear you properly. Can you please repeat the question?
Do you think that college education is still relevant with such a difficult job situation out there?
Yes, because definitely costs are increasing, everything is increasing, but college, you are asking for college fees, right? Because your voice is echoing, so I'm not hearing properly. College fees? Yes, so yes, it is relevant. I know it is difficult to pay for some people, but in this country, at least we can save for 12 long years for our kids. And for making their future, we can spend that much at least. Thank you.
When you were little, what do you want to when you grew up? How has it changed?
When I was little, actually, my dream was to be successful. Life throws, a lot of criticality and problems in our life. And I wanted to become a person who can tackle anything, become more resilient, where I'm learning from criticism and the problems, and raising from above, helping myself and others to raise above, and spread the awareness for other people also to become more human and helping to raise themselves to the point where they can help others as well. Thank you.
What is the most important thing you did to prepare for the pageant, and why did you do that?
The first of all, the important thing that I did, when coming out from being just a housewife, just a mom, and doing my best, preparing, like grooming, you know, like it's not easy for a housewife or a working mom to come into the fashion industry, doing modeling, ramp walk. So it's completely a different experience, and I learned this. I worked really hard to, you know, of course I would like to thank Eric who groomed us, and he put lots of his efforts. Like we were just like nothing, and at least now I'm happy. I can do confidently walk, I can confidently talk, so I'm really happy. Thank you so much.
If you could have dinner with any historical figure, dead or alive, who would it be and why?
Thank you for the wonderful question. If I would get an opportunity to have dinner, I would want to go for dinner with Sushmita Sen. She has always been a woman of substance, a woman of power, values, and positive influence. And I'm so motivated by her speech, and I would really love to have dinner with her. Thank you.
What would you say?
How do you believe society can become more inclusive and supportive of individuals with disabilities?
So can you please repeat?
How do you believe society can become more inclusive and supportive of individuals with disabilities?
Thank you so much. It's a great question. I worked for my internship with Abilities of New Jersey. They are for the kids who graduate high school and they are in college, but they also would like to work. So I worked there for about 8 months, and I saw they right there gave them that opportunity. It wasn't about learning, it was just about that confidence and that experience that yes, you are no less than nobody. You are right here, we are with you, and you can do this. That confidence is what made them go ahead in their lives after college. They were able to get on to great jobs, clear great interviews, get their master's degrees, and even now when I look back on our reunion, I see them, they are all doing fantastic. So it's all about giving them confidence, giving them that opportunity that you are no less than no one else. Thank you.
What would you say to a girl who fears that she's not talented enough to compete in a pageant?
Thank you so much for this question. And I truly relate to that girl who felt that she was not talented enough. I truly believe that every person who is standing here today, as well as those who aspire to be here, have all the confidence, all the skills and talents to showcase so that they are shining on the stage. And I truly believe that anyone can be here. And I'd like to tell every girl to give yourself a chance, step out of your comfort zone, be intentional, and you'll do great stuff. Thank you.
गाइस एक बार जो पति हैं इनके एक बार अपना हाथ खड़ा कर दीजिए प्लीज रेज योर हैंड्स और जिनका बेटा या कोई भी फैमिली है राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर देम बिकॉज़ दीस women have worked hard their families worked equally hard for them round of applause इन सबके लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए fantastic job girls be proud of yourself Let's have you shine on the stage. Let's play some fun music for them. This is the last time they're going to walk for you guys, and then they are crowned. Keep clapping for them and send them with lots of best wishes.